All right, guys, we're out here with the boat again today. And today we got in something special from Marine Wholesale Marine here. These are the throttle and shift cables. They come in two different boxes, I don't know why. Snap-in, control cables, lubricator liner. Boom, just like that, right? Looks pretty good. I don't know why this one's in a different box. But let's open them up, see what they're all about here. So really I gotta make sure that I got the right ones. If I don't have the right ones, the video is going to end soon. And I will be ordering the right ones online. So, oh goodness. Hey, you know what? Those look pretty close, at least. I figure that one's about the same, but yeah, let's go look over here. See, that's the whole thing. If these are the right cables, then I'll be putting them on today. Oh shoot, let me be back here. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so I was looking at this, and you see this one here? This one's got like this snapping mechanism, which I'm guessing is the snap it on thing, right? And this one here doesn't have that. So I think I have the wrong ones. Pretty sure. Trying to figure out how to even get these off of here. To see. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I bought the wrong ones, guys. So this will have to be done at a later date. But to you guys, it's only a snap away. And that's where I'll cut to the future. You see what I did there? I'm gonna cut to the future now. Bye. All right, guys, it is a couple days later. I got, you know, I was talking, well, I mean, now it's like, it's been a couple days for me, but really it's just been like a short second for you guys. But those were the wrong control cables. But I got some new ones in that are the right ones, and that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be putting those in, and yeah, I'll throw you guys up on the timeline here. I'll show you guys kind of what you have to do here. One second. I'm gonna take the cowling off here. Okay. Now, if you're working on a motor, Johnson motor that's pre-1979, your controller cables are probably going to be just like this. So this is pre-1979. The number on the website, it was like CC170 or something like that. So it was like 1970 to 1978, I guess, has these kind of control cables. So pretty much here, right? You got this bracket, right? This comes as, I mean, you can buy this separately or whatever if you don't have these. But the cable, pretty much, is held on by these two bolts here, right? Like there. And to take those off, right? Those are just two things. And they here, I'll do a little thing. They go together and they hold that bolt in the middle of the two things, right? And to take them off, all you gotta have is one of these, and you're good to go. So we'll unscrew those, take these off of here, put them on the new ones, and then put them back on here. But I think first things first, I'm gonna take these off. Before I put these on, I'm gonna string the new ones through and these old ones through, because I'm going to use the old ones to string the new ones through with some tape. And I want it to be as easy as possible. And with these things on there and that hole not being very big that they come through, I'm just going to leave these off while I string them through. So anyway, put you guys on the time lapse and we'll get going. I got the ones in the controller, but it's getting kind of dark out, and I don't know if you guys can even see anything. It's pretty freaking dark. Well, what does that do? Probably just takes it still. I don't know. But yeah, got those ones in. Got the controller back together. All I gotta do now is hook up the back end here. I'm pretty sure everything's gonna be just fine and dandy and perfect for doing what it's doing. So yeah, this will wrap around and be kind of like that, something like that. But you guys can't see shit. Oh man. Okay, well, yeah, see you guys tomorrow. All right, it's the next day. We're out here. We got the control cables in. I know I said I was gonna stop last night, but I was in like a groove, man, and I had to get it finished. So I went ahead and got them in. I had an issue with it whenever it went into forward, but I fixed it. It was too tight back there. But anyway, here's with it. Zoom in a little bit. So there's forward. All right, moves all of that contraption there. I'll get a little closer down like that. And then back to neutral and reverse. All right, got it all set up. Anyway, I think that's going to be the end of this video. I think that's just about the last thing that there is to do. I think the next video is probably going to be us getting it out on the water. So make sure to come back, check out that video too. I think everything's just working out how it should, you know. I'm painting the post for the chairs here right now, and I figured you guys didn't want to see all that stuff, but yeah, I got these chairs in. They're looking great in the last video, you know, which I still haven't even got out yet, so I'm going to be working on that within the next couple of days. My dad's birthday, so we're going out and eating some steaks, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, like it. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. I think we're at like almost 120 subscribers. It's like 116 or something. I checked a couple days ago. Been super busy. I probably need to mow some grass. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.